Oh, hi you guys. This is interesting here. I am seeing bobcat prints in the snow. This is the first I've seen them out here in the back. You can see their paws there. There's also a lot of deer tracks through here. Small deer there walking. Gizmo's on the scent. Come on, Gizmo. You're gonna get in deeper snow than you can handle. Come on, buddy. Over this way. These are just small deer here. These tracks. Bigger tracks closer up to my house. Based on the width of the foot of the print in the snow here, I'd say bobcat. You can see it again here in the snow. It's definitely hunting something. More deer tracks here, crossing. See, they traverse right through there. Well, so far this morning, I'm not seeing the big tracks of the large buck. But some of these tracks are fairly fresh. Now they also traverse down through this trail, down through here. Gizmo just loves the deep snow, by the way. Just loves it. Yeah, I'm seeing smaller tracks this morning. I'm on my way to go retrieve my trail cam, but based on the tracks that I'm seeing in the snow this morning, I'm thinking I might have something on the camera today. I'm trying to come over to the back side of it so the camera don't get me on it. Because as I walk up to it to shut it off, it creates a file and then it becomes a false file. It's right here, right around the corner. There are some bigger prints here in the snow, but they're a little bit older, like maybe from late last night versus this morning. But oh boy, it looks like I should have something, because there's a lot of tracks that went right past my camera. Right past it. Now you can see there was a deer that came in here and was digging around. Oh, they went all in front of my camera. I mean, right in front of it. There's the camera right there in the tree. And look at all these tracks. One was even digging right there. But because this is so snow covered, due to the heavy lake effect snowstorm we got last night, and the camera was facing to the west, facing directly into the weather, the heavy snow that came down last night totally covered the infrared lighting on the top of the Trailcam and totally covered the lens as well. So therefore there was nothing to illuminate and no way for the camera to capture any images, even though several deer had passed directly in front of the camera overnight, and at least one, if not two bucks, went right in front of the camera. I will try again tonight if there's no storm in the forecast. Let's see if I can wake it up. There we go. I woke it up. I'll turn it off. It's probably going to get me waking it up. Oh my God, everything's frozen. Come on, Gizmo. We'll go home. We'll thaw this out and see what we got. Really big tracks there, big ones. You can see right here where Gizmo's smelling. The buck was pawing at the ground. And those are good size prints, so we'll see what we got, but it was pawing at the grass. Yep, I would say that maybe one or even two bucks passed through here, but we'll see. It could have been a large doe. Because they come from up that way too, from way over in the big woods, and they also come up through here where there's a trail. I know you guys probably aren't interested in this stuff, but I think it's interesting just to see what, you know, the camera will get when you leave it out all night long. It's kind of addictive, you guys. You know, because like over here, there was a bobcat, and there's lots of coyote around here. There's turkey, there's just all kinds of stuff. Red-tailed fox. You never know what you're gonna get, because even if you set up a trail cam down low along a rabbit trail, you know, you have a good chance of getting a red-tailed fox on cam. Where are they at, Gizmo? Where are they? Find them. Find them, Gizmo. And he will, too. He'll take you right to a rabbit's den. He smells the deer tracks. Small doe came down this trail. So, I'm not seeing any more purple snow this morning. Yesterday I saw a lot of purple snow. It was everywhere. Never seen it before. It's not, you know, like diluted deer blood, like when blood from a wounded deer runs through and it's bleeding, and sometimes it can get diluted and even appear pink. This was more purple in color, so I Googled it, and it said that it's watermelon snow. Now the thing that's odd about that, it said that it's an algae that thrives in cold climates, like way in high altitudes and big mountains. We're talking, you know, some of the biggest mountain ranges in the world, you guys, where professional mountain climbers go to the summit. That's where it thrives, is at the very high elevations of places like that. So what the hell is it doing here? Kind of strange, but that's what it said it was. And I thought, no, that can't be right. So I kept searching and searching, and it kept coming back to watermelon snow, which is a toxic algae that forms and thrives in snow. But we're not a high elevation like a mountain range is. So I don't know. You can see right through there, if you look closely, see the trail of the deer. It came through, and then it crossed right here. Right here it crossed and went that way. That right there is definitely a buck. And he went right through the woods right there. All right, Gizzy, let's go home and see if we got anything on this trail cam. Thanks for watching, you guys. We'll see you again in the next one. Bye-bye.